Hello, this is Brian Houle with Beyond 20, and today I want to look at the new transfer attachments step for one-steps in Cherwell Service Management 6. So let's have a look. So right now I'm working on a change record, a change request. Going into one-steps in the client tool, and let's look at this transfer attachments one-step I've already created. So I'm going to click edit. What I did here was what I wanted was to be able to put files into a folder and have it automatically attach to a record when I ran it. So in this case, a change record. And this is similar to those of you who use Evernote. You can have import folders. Import folders are fun because all you have to do is put files in there. It gets imported into Evernote. And so this, you can kind of do that same kind of functionality in Cherwell 6. So here I am in my transfer attachments one step. I'm going to keep this pretty basic, but what I've done is I've dragged over this transfer attachments step onto the plus sign, and it's created my step. So I'll select it. So you can transfer from business object to business object, but what I'm doing is transferring from this directory, and this will be analogous to an import folder in Evernote. Right now I'm just going to call it email server problem. So use case might be I might set this up if I have an ongoing change or an ongoing problem that I want to work, and all I want to do is just drop files in there and have it attached to a given record. So that's what I'm putting there. I'm going to attach it to my change request. It's going to be an import. It could be a link, but it also could be a delete, which is pretty cool. But right now, we're just going to do the import. Next, the action to perform if importing attachment results in a conflict, I'm going to overwrite, and it'll prompt me if I'm in the desktop client. So pretty basic. So what we're going to do is we're going to look in this folder, take files, we're going to import them into the current business object, and we're going to overwrite if existing. So now I can click on the files page, and here I'm selecting all files, but I can do the first file, the last file. I can do a little wildcard matching to include or exclude files, and I can also set a minimum size in kilobytes and megabytes. So if I dump a big old elephant of a file in there, it doesn't pull it in and increase the size of your database. But right now I'm just going to do all files. So I'll click OK, and let's look at our import folder. So right now I've got this outage report sitting in my import folder. So I'm going to close this, and so this is the change I'm working with. I'll go to one-step manager, and then I can run this, and boom, my outage report appears. Let's look at that again. I'll remove it. Yeah, I'm going to remove it. I'm going to go to one-step, recent change request one-steps, transfer attachments. Boom, and it appears. So if I've got multiple attachments, they'll all come in all at once. Which is pretty fun. So you can do all kinds of things with this. You can have it respond to a user click and put it in the common tasks, or perhaps you can put it into the onto the form. You can run that one step as a scheduled item. So, for instance, all files that are added for a given day get imported and overwritten based on a scheduled item. That can run in the middle of the night. But I think there are many more applications for that transfer attachments one step, but that was a neat one that I liked. Kind of mimics the import folders feature of Evernote or something like that. So anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more Cherwell videos. Thank you.